I've worked a total of 14 years in facilities management, all of them in Orange County. I was aware of various roof restoration processes, but never one that could be guaranteed for the 25-year lifetime of this solar contract. Our black rubber roofs hindered 3 schools from going solar. The 3 schools that are receiving panels on a flat roof were never even an option until we were informed about the restoration process. Roof restoration made a big difference, and we went from 5 to 8 schools installing solar. Since we don't have a dedicated fund for anything more than minor roof repairs, the roof restoration meant that we were able to get 3 of our schools' roofs restored and guaranteed for 25 years, and avoid the larger cost of replacing those roofs. For a complete school to be re-roofed, we'd have to ask the county for additional money. So in a small county like this, roof restoration is a big deal. There are also minor repairs that we don't have to do thanks to the roof restoration. So we'll have capital money available for other projects.